Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a paid OpenAI API account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open AI. So open your OpenAI account. So here you need to click on continue. So now let me log in. Enter your password, click on continue. Okay, so now you are in your account, and if you want to upgrade, you simply need to click on that. But if you want to check that you have some, as you can see, that free trial. So here you can see that I have a free trial that I can easily use for them for the trial. But if you want, you can select your billing, you can set a paid account. If you are an individual, you can select that. If you are working on behalf of company, click on that. Add card detail, name on card, everything that you want to add, your billing address and your business tax ID, and then you need to click on setup payment method. So this is the process by which you can set up paid OpenAI API account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.